Question and answer. Hello Paul, where did you go yesterday afternoon? Kamu pergi kemana kemarin sore, Paul? I went to see a friend of mine. Saya pergi menemui teman saya. Did you see Mr. John yesterday, Betty? Apakah kamu melihat Tuan John kemarin, Betty? No, I didn't. I didn't see Mr. John, but I saw John Smith. Saya tidak melihat Tuan John, tapi saya melihat John Smith. Henry, what did you talk about yesterday afternoon? Apa yang kamu bicarakan kemarin sore? Always talk about a lot of things. Kita membicarakan tentang banyak hal. Did you talk with Mr. Sullivan yesterday afternoon? Apakah kamu berbicara dengan Tuan Sullivan kemarin sore? Yes, I did. I asked him a lot of questions. Saya bertanya padanya banyak pertanyaan. What did you ask Mr. Green John? Apa yang kamu tanyakan pada Tuan Green John? Oh, I asked him if he spoke English. What did you ask Mr. Green John? Apa yang kamu tanyakan pada Tuan Green John? Oh, I asked him if he spoke French. Saya bertanya padanya apakah dia berbicara bahasa Prancis. Did you ask Mr. Green if he spoke French? Apakah kamu bertanya pada Tuan Green apakah dia berbicara bahasa Prancis? Yes, he said he spoke a little French. Ya, dia bilang dia berbicara sedikit bahasa Prancis. What did you ask Mr. Brown Ellis? Apa yang kamu tanyakan pada Tuan Brown Ellis? I asked Mr. Brown if he knew anybody in New York. Saya bertanya pada Tuan Brown apakah dia mengenal seseorang di New York. Mr. Brown said he knew a lot of people in New York, didn't he? Tuan Brown bilang dia mengenal banyak orang di New York, bukan? Yes, he did. Yeah, he said he knew about 20 people there. Dia bilang dia mengenal sekitar 20 orang di sana. Did you ask Mrs. Brown how old she was? Apakah kamu bertanya pada Nyonya Brown berapa umurnya? Yes, I did. He said he... Did you ask Mrs. Brown how old she was? Apakah kamu bertanya pada Nyonya Brown berapa umurnya? Yes, I did. She said she would rather not tell her age. Dia bilang dia lebih suka tidak memberitahu umurnya. Did John answer your question? Apakah John menjawab pertanyaanmu? Yes, he answered almost all of my question. Dia menjawab hampir semua pertanyaan saya. You saw John last night, didn't you? Kamu melihat John tadi malam, bukan? Yes, I saw him at about 8 o'clock in a restaurant. Ya, saya melihat dia sekitar jam 8 di sebuah restoran. Did you ask Josh if he was 22 years old? Did you ask Josh if he was 22 years old? Apakah kamu bertanya pada Josh bahwa dia sudah berumur 22 tahun? Yes, I asked him. He said he was almost 22. Ya, dia bilang dia hampir umur 22 tahun. I'm sorry, what did you ask me? Apa yang kamu tanyakan pada saya? I asked you if you knew anybody in South America. Saya bertanya padamu apakah kamu mengenal seseorang di Amerika Selatan. Bill answer all of Mrs. Brown question, didn't he? Bill menjawab semua pertanyaan Nyonya Brown, bukan? Yes, he did. I think he answered all of her question. Saya kira dia menjawab semua pertanyaannya. Did you see Mr. Brown in a restaurant last night? Apakah kamu melihat Tuan Brown di sebuah restoran tadi malam? No, I didn't. I saw Mr. Green in a restaurant. Saya melihat Tuan Green di sebuah restoran. Thank you.